have here today?
Gabriel.
Gabriel, what are we doing?
Skydiving, baby.
Jumping out of airplanes with strangers. You trust me to throw you out of this thing?
Not a chance.
Yeah,
no.
well, you better, because we're stuck together. This is
Right
your
on.
idea, right?
Yes, sir.
So it's your fault if this goes wrong and we don't make it to your next birthday.
100%.
Any last words, final comments, confessions in case we don't make it?
Love my kids. That's about it.
For me, it's the same every time. Take the computer, the tablet, the phone, burn it all, bury it in the desert. The wife can have the rest of it. Let's go rock out a skydive, have some fun.
Rock
High five.
on, rock
Here we
on,
go.
man.
Oh, yeah. All right, here we are. Here's our ride. You ready to get in this thing, get out, go have some fun?
100%.
You're nuts.
Yeah, that's right.
Go rock a skydive. Here we go. Oh, yeah. What do you think?
That's great.
Hands up.
All the way, sorry.
What do you think, huh?
Oh,
Pull the right one down.
right with that.
All the way down. Look at the camera.
Woo! Yeah, baby. All right.
All the way.
Oh shit.
Nice.
Oh my god.
Turn?
Yeah.
The left one down. All the way down.
Left one, right?
All the way down.
Let's go. Oh yeah.
We made it back.
Yeah,
What do you think of that?
That was great. That was epic.
Yeah?
That was
You
great.
gonna do that again someday?
Oh, fuck yeah.
Yeah? I didn't ask you. We celebrate anything today?
No,
The bucket list?
life,
Check
man.
it off?
Yeah.
Next time you come out, you can play with my balls and open the parachute, okay?
That sounds like a fun.
High five, man. Come back to me again. Skydive, Colorado Springs.
Right on, let's do it.